Hello guys, welcome all of you. So let us quickly finish our operator concept in Java with this part number 5, and in this part we will see about ternary operator in Java, and next one is negation of expression or inverting a boolean value. Okay, so for this purpose we have this operator, and ternary we have this operator. Okay, so let's go and quickly see practically how they work. Okay, so I have declared two local variables, integer a equal to 1 and integer b equal to 2. So first let's see about ternary operator. Okay, so ternary operator in Java is the only operator in Java which requires 3 operands. That means it will have, okay, this is our operator, and here we will have first operand, okay, operand 1, and then here we will have operand 2, and here we will have operand 3. Okay, so this is the only operator in Java which requires 3 operators. Okay, you need to remember this if someone asks you in the interviews, or if you face any object type of question in technical first round. Okay, so you need to remember this. So for example, first operand, so here we will have some condition. Okay, so depending upon the result of that condition, true or false, depending upon that, this operand 2 and operand 3 values will be used. Okay, for example, I am going to print, okay, here I am going to use some condition. Let's try if a is less than b. Okay, this is my first condition. Here I applied the ternary operator, a colon b. So what is the meaning of this? First it will check the condition of this expression. Okay, if it is true, then I will get value of a. If this expression is false, okay, if result is false, then I will get value of b. Okay, very simple. So depending upon this result, I will get the value of a or b accordingly. Okay, so similarly, I can tell you, if I have true here, okay, ternary operator, and then a colon b. So I have fixed this value. This is always going to true. That means I am going to get the value of a always. Okay, I will not get the value of b. That also I will show you. And next one is, if I have false here, then I will get the value of b. So I should get the value of b every time if I run this. Okay, so let's save it and let's run this. So in this first condition, a is less than b. Okay, so a is less than b, 1 is less than 2, means we will get true here, and we will get the value of a. So a is 1, so we should get a equal to 1. Here it is true, again a equal to 1 we will get, and this is false, so we will get the value of b, that is 2. Okay, so here we will get 1, here we will get 2. 1 1 2 should be sequence. So let's see. Okay, 1 1 2, got it. So you need to remember this, very important for the interviews. So if I change this condition, if a is greater than b, now this become false, 1 is not greater than 2. Okay, so here I will get false this time, and if it is false, then I supposed to get the value of b, means third operand, so that is 2. Okay, 2 1 and then 2, very simple. Okay, so let's see the next one. Next one is our inverting operator or negation. So negation operator, this is the operator. Okay, so this operator is applicable for boolean values only. Okay, can apply it for boolean value only. That means boolean value means true or false. So for example, if I am trying to print true and I want a negation of this boolean value, so what I will do, just at the beginning I will give this negation operator, so that value, it will invert the value of this true. So invert means it will be opposite. So opposite of true is false, right? So if I run this, I will get false, right? And if I try to print false, negation of false is true. Okay, we got the true. Now you can apply it multiple times also. That means negation of, negation of, negation of, then true. Or you can use any condition also, like this expression. So I am going to check A, if it is A is greater than B. So I will put this inside a bracket. Okay, so first of all, it will solve this expression. So what is the expression value? So result is A is not greater than B, right? 1 is not greater than 2. That means we got 3 negation and then we got the false. Okay, now first negation will be applied. So first negation of false is true. Okay, so we will got 2 negation and here we will get the true. Then next one will be applied. So negation and here we will get the false. Again last one will be applied. So negation of false, that is true. So at the end we will get the true result. Okay, you can see that we got the true. So you can apply multiple times also and for expression also, but it is only applicable for the boolean value. Boolean means true or false, right? So you cannot apply it for any other integer or any variable. So you cannot write like this, negation of let's say 2. Okay, it will give you an error that it is not applicable, or operator negation, it is undefined for the argument types of integer. Okay, and if you give the variable also, we have integer variable a, the same error it will show, right? So this is about our ternary operator and negation operator. Okay, it will just invert the value of boolean expression. Okay, boolean result. So I think that's all about this session and part number 5. So we have covered all the operators, most important operators in the Java, in the different parts. So if you don't understand anything from these operators in Java session 6, okay, 5 parts are there, and you can add it in the comment section, your question, your queries, or you can send me an email on ageautomation09@gmail.com. So thanks for your time, guys. I will see you in the next video soon. Thank you.